Hello folks, you're welcome once again to another fascinating math video. This video is a redo of a previous video because one of us commented that the solution wasn't complete, and when I went through the solution I discovered that the solution to each of the problem was not complete, so I decided to do the video again. So sorry for that. I would like to add that I render an online math tutoring service. So if you are interested in such a service, be very free to get across to me. I also give assistance to solutions of assignments, tests, projects, and research work. So be free to get across to me if you are in need of any of these services. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment also, and also subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I post any other fascinating math video. So let's go over to the solution of this particular problems. These are integral problems. So the first of the problem solution, we are required to integrate the arctan of x over 1 plus x squared with respect to x. Now this integral you are seeing can be rewritten as the integral of arctan of x over 1 plus x squared dx by du with respect to u. Whenever you want to transform an integral from one variable to another variable, always ensure you to write the integral from this form to this form. It's very important. In two-dimensional calculus, this dx by du will be a partial derivative, and it is called the Jacobi of transformation. But we are not dealing with two-dimensional calculus, rather we are dealing with one-dimensional calculus. So it is written as in the ordinary form, ds du. Now ds du suggests to us that there's a relationship between x and u. So we have to choose the relationship in such a way that the integrand will simplify considerably. And for you to do that, you must have sufficient knowledge in the differential calculus. Hence this video is we are assuming familiarity that you are aware of the differential calculus. If you are not aware of it, I can also help you. I can provide a video on it so that you have a firm foundation, so you'll be able to grapple through with this particular video series. Right now, let's go over to the solution on this. So we can make the choice. We can say let u be the arctan of x. Now on differentiating this expression here with respect to x, we have that 1 is equals to, and if you differentiate arctan of x with respect to x, it will be 1 over 1 plus x squared dx by du. Alright, from whence we have our dx by du to be equal to 1 plus x squared. Can you see that? So having done that, we make substitutions. So we can say that therefore the integral of arctan of x over 1 plus x squared with respect to s is equally written as, we said let this be u, right? We said let this be u. So in that case we put u here, then over 1 plus x squared multiplied by, now we have our ds du to be what already? To be this. So we can put this as 1 plus x squared then du. From whence this we cancel out this, so I left with the integral of u du. You see that it has simplified to a very familiar form. Alright, and from integral calculus, the integral of u with respect to u is equal to writing u to the power of 2 over 2 plus c, and this will leave us with, now you don't forget we said let u be equal to arctan of x. Look at it this way. So on substitution we have it as arctan of x to the power of 2 over 2 plus c, and this become the results. So we are done with solving this particular problem. Now next we want to look at the other problem. The other one here is a logarithmic problem. It's not difficult as you may suppose. It's very easy to work with. Now let us go back to the solution of this particular one. Number 2, the integral of the log of square root of 1 plus x squared with respect to x. Now this can be written as the integral of log of 1 plus x squared to the power of 1 over 2, right, with respect to x. And from the theory of logarithm, This can be written as 1 over 2 integral of log to base e of 1 plus s squared dx. Can you see that? Please ensure you follow through this video thoroughly, and don't forget to like the video if you draw any value from it. Also share, comments. If it's not clear, you make sure you comment in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel to be notified for more interesting video. All right, so let's continue with this solution. Now this can be written as 1 over 2 brackets. Now I want to solve this particular problem with a particular method.